Camera with Flash Full iPhone Camera Mastery Lesson. Level: Beginner to Intermediate. Duration: ~30-45 minutes, self-paced. Goal: Learn how to use your iPhone camera like a pro for photos and videos. Part 1. Getting to know your camera. 1.1 Opening the camera. From the lock screen, swipe left. From home screen, tap the camera icon. Via Control Center, swipe down from top right on Face ID models and tap the camera icon. 1.2 Camera lenses. Your iPhone may have 1, 2, or 3 lenses. Ultra-wide, 0.5x great for landscapes or tight spaces. Wide, 1x the main camera, best quality. Telephoto, 2x or 3x. 4 close-ups or portraits with background blur. Check your iPhone model to know how many lenses you have. Camera Part 2. Photo modes explained. 2.1 Photo. Default mode for taking still images. Features: autofocus and exposure. Flash, auto, on, off. Live photos, a 1.5 seconds clip around the photo. 2.2 Portrait. Creates a depth of field effect, blurring the background. Best for people, pets, or objects. You can adjust the lighting style, studio light, contour light, etc. 2.3 Panorama. Great for wide landscapes. Move your iPhone slowly following the arrow. 2.4 Square, older models only. Ideal for Instagram-style photos, 1:1 ratio. Clapperboard Part 3, Video modes. 3.1 Video. Default mode for video recording. Tap red record button to start or stop. Adjust resolution and frame rate in settings of camera or record video. 3.2 Slow-mo. Records at high frame rate, e.g. 240 frames per second. 4 Smooth slow motion playback. 3.3 Time-lapse. Captures frames over time to speed up movement, e.g. sunsets, traffic. Tip: keep the iPhone still using a tripod for time-lapse. Control knobs Part 4. Advanced settings and manual control. 4.1 Tap to focus and adjust exposure. Tap on the screen to set focus. Slide your finger up or down to adjust brightness, exposure. 4.2 Lock focus and exposure. Tap and hold on a spot until AEAF lock appears. Great for tricky lighting or moving subjects. 4.3 Use the grid for composition. Enable from settings a camera grid. Helps apply the rule of thirds, subject placed off-center. 4.4 HDR, high dynamic range. Captures more detail in bright or dark areas. Set to auto, on in camera settings. Artist Palette Part 5. Composition and tips for better photos. 5.1 Rule of thirds. Use the grid to place your subject off-center for more dynamic shots. 5.2 Leading lines. Look for natural lines that draw attention to your subject. Roads, fences, architecture. 5.3 Frame within a frame. Use windows, doors, arches to create a visual frame around your subject. 5.4 Natural light. Use soft, indirect light, early morning or late afternoon. Avoid harsh midday sun. 5.5 Clean your lens. Use a microfiber cloth. Smudges ruin clarity. Hammer and wrench Part 6. Useful settings, in settings a camera. Format: choose HEIF, smaller, or most compatible, JPEG. Preserve settings. Keep last use mode, e.g. video instead of always defaulting to photo. Macro control: turn on for automatic close-up focus.